everyone, welcome to my channel, Crafty Yarn Owl. How are you all doing today? Today I'm going to be talking about a hashtag. It's a challenge that's going around, and I actually heard about it through Priscilla from Distinctive Crochet. I will link her video down below where she's talking about it. And it was a hashtag that was created by Jeanette from DOYcreations. And I'm thinking, do I have that name right? Hi Jeanette. Hi Priscilla. So the hashtag is hashtag crochet cardigan challenge. And I thought that was really cool because I've been wanting to make a cardigan, and I actually started making one, and then you know me, I can't leave well enough alone. Ended up making like just like a t-shirt style. Yeah. So I'll talk more about that in another video, but I decided, okay, I'm gonna do that cardigan and I'm gonna do it right. It's a written pattern. I'm getting better at reading written patterns. Yay! I just made a fresh cup of coffee. I just wanted to enjoy a little bit of it. All right, so I'll link that written pattern below. I don't know if there's a tutorial video on it. I haven't gone far enough into it, but I did start the cardigan. And I started a couple of days ago. This one's going to actually be a cardigan. But this is it so far. And that's how the bottom goes. This is the back panel. So I'm going to be finished the back panel shortly. But when it's all complete, I will show it to you and I'll talk about the yarn that I used. Soft, squishy, yes. All right, so the way the hashtag works is it'll be in my title. Click on it and then it'll take you to other channels that are participating in this, and it's kind of to get, you know, crochet channels linked together and to show off our work and have people come to our channels if you've never seen them before. And I mean, there's a lot of channels out there, crochet channels, and I haven't even discovered all of them. And my goodness, oh my goodness, there's so many. And I wish I could watch every single video, but I can't. There's not enough hours in the day. So yeah, so go ahead and do that. Click on the hashtag. Visit these other channels. Definitely visit Jeanette, because it's her idea, and for the hashtag. So yeah, visit her, and if you like hers, I mean, she does some wonderful designs. So make sure you subscribe. I've been subscribed to her for a while, and every now and then I get over to her channel and I watch, and I don't always comment, but you know how it goes. So yeah. Oh, if you want to know what I'm wearing, if you haven't seen it yet, it's a tutorial that I put up yesterday. So it's a shoulder warmer, or you could call it a shawl, or a wrap. Yeah. So yeah, thank you so much for joining me today. It's just a short video. Just wanted to mention that hashtag crochet cardigan challenge. So I can't wait till I'm done my challenge, because this is beautiful. I can't wait till I'm done my my cardigan, because I really like this stitch. I've used this stitch before, but the stitch bottom I haven't used before, and I love how this yarn is working up. Let me just tell you, it's a Hirschner's yarn, but I'll talk about it more in another video when my cardigan is finished. All right, so that is it for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and please take care of yourselves, stay safe, and I was going to say love freely, but no. I don't know. Share the love, but you know, not too intimately. Anyway, you guys take care. Love you all.